OpenSSF it's a meeting point. It's a touch point for anyone that's really interested in security.
We're a community of dreamers that believe that we can solve these problems, but we can only solve them together.
There's a bunch of different ways which you can get involved, and your company can get involved in OpenSSF. So one is as a corporate sponsor, and that's great because you can directly support open source security. You can serve on the governing board and help to set the direction of the foundation.
So what's valuable to potential members is being part of that community and being able to be part of the group that is influencing the direction of it.
You can help steer the direction of where things are going in the open source. Like if you want a particular focus, and you have folks who can sort of contribute their time to focus, to push that focus.
You have a front seat to the forefront of technology.
If you're a small company, you also get access to a lot of projects that you might not, if it was closed source, partnering with some of these larger organizations that are also contributing to these projects would just be impossible.
We are an associate member, we have expertise, and we have huge communities and networks that we can bring to the table that hopefully can share their expertise with people from other ecosystems. So we can, again, not compete, we can collaborate.
So I think together, whether you're an enterprise, whether you're an end user, or whether you're community, there's a place for you at OpenSSF.